Welcome to this Sun Salutation practice. This video is one in a series of 3 designed more for beginners, or you can use this to go back to the basics or even as a warm-up to your workouts. Stand at the top of your mat in mountain pose, prayer hands. Starting with a nice deep inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward into a rounded spine. Place the hands on the shins or the thighs, sending the heart forward, lengthening through the spine. Melt into rounded forward fold. Plant both hands on the mat. Take a big step back with your right leg. Gently lower the right knee. Now reach the left arm open to the left. Bring the arm back down. Lift the right knee and step the left leg back to a plank, lowering to the knees or staying on the feet. Begin lowering the chest, elbows pointing back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Lift the chest slightly, pressing the hips back toward the heels for Child's Pose. Balasana. Reach the arms forward, lengthening through the spine. Now pressing up to hands and knees for Cat-Cow. On the inhale, drop the belly, lifting the chest and hips. Exhale, rounding the spine, tucking the tailbone, the chin. Repeat that once more. Walk the hands slightly forward. Spread the fingers wide, flexing the feet, pressing the ground away from you. Lift the hips into downward facing dog. Stay here, gently pedaling the feet, alternate bending the knees. Begin taking baby steps toward the top of the mat, bending the knees as needed, coming into a forward fold. Slowly rounding up on an inhale, reaching overhead. Exhale, hands back to the chest. Stepping the feet closer to the top of the mat. Repeating that on the left side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, swan dive down to your forward fold. Inhale, send the heart forward. Exhale, back into a rounded forward fold. Plant the hands, step back with the left leg. Lower onto the knee, rotate open to the right, feel the chest opening, bring the right hand back down. Lift the left knee and step back to plank. Option to stay on the feet or lower to the knees. Bend at the elbows, lowering the chest into Chaturanga all the way down. Lift the chest into Cobra. Press those hips back toward the heels. Child's Pose. Reach through the arms, lengthening the spine, and come back to all fours, hands and knees for Cat-Cow. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, rounding. One more time. Realign hands and knees, flex the feet. Exhale, lifting to your down dog. Pedaling through the feet, loosening up the legs. Believe it or not, with time, this pose actually becomes a resting pose. Take those baby steps toward the top of the mat, bending the knees as needed, rounding the spine, soften the neck. Big inhale, round up, reaching overhead. Exhale, prayer hands back to the chest. And now we'll repeat that sequence one more time, moving a little quicker and with less cueing from me. I'll focus more on cueing the breath so that you can use your inhale or exhale to help you flow through the Sun Salutation. Standing at the top of your mat, hands in prayer. Inhale, press up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift the chest, half forward fold. Exhale, rounded forward fold, planting the hands. Step the right leg back, settle the knee, open to the left. Step back to a plank, knees or feet. Exhale, lowering to Chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest, Cobra. Exhale, press back to Child's Pose. Inhale, tabletop, Cow Pose. Exhale, rounding to cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Flat back, inhale. Exhale, press back to downward dog. Start taking some baby steps. On your inhale, round up, reaching overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to prayer. Inhale, right back up. Last time through, getting the hang of it now. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Step back left. Open to the right. Step the right leg back. Plank pose. Last one. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, lift cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop cow. Exhale, rounding cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, down dog. Walking forward. On the next inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart, and you've completed your sun salutation. Stay with this sequence for as long as you'd like. Keep watch for level 2 and level 3 coming soon. As always, like, share, subscribe, and take a second to leave me a comment down below. See you in the next video.